Hello everyone. Welcome to Life Cycle of Paper Towel. In this video, we will cover on Introduction of Paper Towel, Life Cycle of Paper Towel, Impact of Paper Towel. Then we will discuss how to reduce the impact of paper towel. Lastly, we will conclude about life cycle of paper towel. First, we will start with the introduction of paper towel. Before that, do you know what is paper towel? Paper towel is a sheet of soft and thick paper that can be soak liquid and that is used for many purposes such as drying hand, cleaning up spills and others. Do you know when the paper towel was introduced? The idea of paper towel was started from local teacher in 1907. In 1907, a mild epidemic of colds hit the Philadelphia area. To avoid the infection among her student, a local teachers cut a heavy copy paper into squares and give them to her students and using them as individual towels. This was a substitute to the cloth towels that were used in the community washrooms and the usage of which would only spread the disease around. On this way soft paper was used only once and disposed off. In other words, a Philadelphia teacher prevented the transmitting of the germs from one sick kid to other. Then, Arthur Scoot, the head of paper company, heard about that and it gave him an idea to solve the issues where his company had wrongly purchased thick and heavy parent rolls of crepe tissues for their product. Scott then ordered that rejected tissues paper to be made into rolls of towel and perforated into 13 inches by 18 inches sheets. The first name of this paper towel called Sonny Towel then renamed to Scott Tissue Towel. From that, the paper towel was born. Now, let's look into the use of paper towel. There are many uses of paper towel. For example, paper towel can be used to wipe our hand and face. Used to avoid touching unclean public surface. For cleaning and wiping spills. Besides, we can use it to wipe dust off the furniture. Wiping stain from your cloth. And also can use the paper towel for cleaning kitchen countertop. So, these are the uses of paper towel. Paper towel can be uses for the others purpose too. Next, we will look into the life cycle of paper towel. Did you know, there are 6 phases of paper towel life cycle? Which is, it starts from raw material extraction phases. Then continues to manufacturing process. Packaging. Distribution, useful life, and lastly is it ended with the end life phases. Next, we will to the details on each phases of paper towel life cycle. First, to produce the paper towel, it start with raw material extraction. To produce the paper towel, softwood trees are harvested as the beginning materials. Then, the bark will be stripped out from the wood and will be chopped into small pieces. This wood chips then undergo thermochemical process to be as pulp. After produce the pulp will be cleaned from any contamination particles and will be screeners to make sure the pulp is as fine as it can be. Next, the pulp will be bleached to make it white. And finally, it will put into several machines designed to make it into paper. Next, it will continue with manufacturing of paper towel. The process to produce paper towel including embossing, rolling paper on cores and putting rolls in primary packaging. To make paper towel, the paper product will be pressed gently to make sure it became soft texture layers of paper. Then, the 2 layers of soft paper will be carefully bonded together to form one sheet by using a light and harmless glue. At the same time, the embossing process happen. The layers are embossed to make some pockets of air trapped within the sheets. Then the paper will be rolling on cores and putting in primary packaging. Next phases of paper towel life cycle is packaging. The folding box board are used for the paper towel core. Then, the paper towel rolls will be wrapped using polyethylene, LLDP, as plastic wrapper of the rolls. After packaging phases, the life cycle paper towel will continue with distribution phases. Paper towel product will be distributed by tractor trailer to distribution center such as clubs, store and retailers. Next, in useful phases, the paper towel will be purchased by buyer for the multi-purpose uses. Commonly used of household purposes such as wiping window, drying hand, soak up excess oil, cleaning up spill and others. Finally, end-of-life phases of paper towel. Commonly after used, paper towel will be disposed into a bin. As your information, paper towel cannot be recycled due to short fiber and soiled with food and grease, which will contaminate the recycling process. However, the cardboard tubes which come inside paper towel rolls can be recycled. And finally, the paper towel that was thrown in bin will be hauled with other household garbage to the landfill. Then, let's us see the impact of paper towel to the environment. Each of phase of paper towel life cycle give negative impact to the environment. For example, in raw material extraction activity. The process of raw material extraction to produce paper towel was contributing to deforestation. The extraction of virgin wood pulp was contributed to deforestation activity. Besides that, the raw material extraction of paper towel also destroyed and vanished wildlife and ecosystem. Did you know, last 20 years ago, Canada lost 28% million acres of forest to the wood pulp industry. Due to that, many of wildlife and ecosystem destroyed and vanished. Others than that, the impact of raw material extraction activity also contribute to water pollution. This is caused from the chemical solution for bleach the pulp. This chemical give the negative impact to environment because it pollute the water and habitats. Next, we will see the negative impact from paper towel manufacturing. Did you know the paper and pulp industry are the fourth largest contributor of GHG gases emission? The activity of manufacturing paper towel was contributing to greenhouse gases emission. The manufacturing of paper towel also contribute to water pollution. For example, the manufacturing of 1 ton of paper towel uses and pollutes 20,000 gallons of fresh water. Besides that, the manufacturing of paper towel also consume large energy. Did we realize, the paper towel industry consume a whopping 4% of the world's energy? Lastly, on the end of life of paper towel also contribute to negative impact to environment. As we all know, paper towel cannot be recycled because the harbor bacteria which can contaminate the clean paper product if they are recycled. Based on research, for now there are 254 million tons of used paper towel are end up in landfill for every year. Can we imagine, if we still use the paper towel without think about the impact to the environment? So next, we will discuss on how to reduce the impact of paper towel. First, to reduce the impact of paper towel, we need to buy or use recycled paper towels. Choosing recycled paper towels is a significant first step to sustainability. Using recycled paper towels may seem like a more sustainable option to save a few trees and prevent chemical pollution. Did you know, every single roll of recycled paper towel that we used can save 544,000 of trees. Recycled paper towel usually have certification of totally chlorine-free, TCF, and Forest Stewardship Council, FSC. This ensures that companies source recycled materials from sustainable and controlled forests. So that to reduce the impact we need to buy only reusable paper towel that have TCF and FSC certification. For example, buy brown paper towel. This is because it more sustainable rather than common paper towel which it does not contain harmful chemical. And totally chlorine-free, TCF, which can save our environment. Secondly, to reduce the impact of paper towel, we need to change the paper towel with cloth towel. Paper towel is disposable and need to throw after used. So that we need to change to cloth towel because it is sustainable option than paper towel. This cloth towel is sustainable option because it can be as reusable and will last for long as possible. So that by using the cloth towel we can help to reduce the impact of paper towel production. Lastly, the others alternative ways to reduce the impact of paper towel among public is by install hand dryer in public area facilities such as in public toilet. The use of hand dryer can help reduce the paper towel waste especially in public toilet. Hand dryer is more greener by utilizing less wasteful method of hand drying. Besides that, the research found hand dryer help to reduce emission. Hand dryer emit less amount of carbon than paper towel do, and besides that the use of hand dryer help to reduce the dependency of paper towel. Now, we are at the end of this video. From this video, we know paper towel provide many benefits for our life. However, the production, manufacturing until at the end of its life also contribute negative impact to our environment such as deforestation, water pollution, air pollution, and also contribute waste into our landfill. To reduce the impact of paper towel, we can change to cloth towel. So, it can reduce the paper towel consumption and save our trees and also our environment. So, that's all from me. I hope you can gain more knowledge about paper towel from this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching. See you again.